Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today's DIYs are traditional Christmas themed DIYs like red, green, and plaid. So let's start with DIY number one. And this is one of the beautiful plaid gift wrap that I got from Dollar Tree. And also, this is one of the sign that I got from Dollar Tree last Christmas. I'm going to use the back part of it, and the satin ribbon I'm going to use for another DIY. So now I'm taking this glue stick and I'm generously applying that to the back of the board. And I'm gently pressing all over it so all the air bubbles are released. And using the sanding block, I'm just getting the edges clean, and it also gives like a nice distress effect, and it comes out so clean and beautiful. We can see the clean borders on either side. Now I'm going to take some of this wooden signs, and these are like Mary that I got from last year, and I'm going to paint that with this green paint and also this beautiful golden reindeer, and it is also going to get like nice green paint on it. Now the Mary sign is dried, so now I'm going to paint red paint for this beautiful reindeer, and I'm also distressing it with this beautiful, light yellow paint, actually beige paint. Now those are drying. Now I'm going to take this Christmas box, and I'm taking the top part of it. It just got like nice Christmas tree design on it, and I took like generous amount of hot glue and I stuck it in one corner on the board. And I'm also taking this tiny bead to give like a nice elevation, and I'm sticking the Mary sign, and I'm also taking hot glue and I'm sticking the reindeer just below the Mary letters. And now I have to decorate this with nice pick and greenery. So I got this pick from Michael's like after Christmas sale. I think I got this for $1 or 50 cents, I don't remember. And I'm just taking some of this greenery on either side to complete the look, and this turned out gorgeous. And this is such a beautiful, screaming for Christmas in every corner of this sign, and it's got like nice beautiful green and red traditional Christmas and also the traditional plaid. I'm so in love with this sign. I hope you will like it as well. So I want to know what your thoughts are. And this is again that time of the year where our dear friend CeeJ brings up this beautiful collab, Christmas Around the World, where she brought 18 of us together, where each one of us will show so many beautiful creative ideas on Christmas. So please stay tuned for all the huge playlist, and be sure to watch all of their videos and give lots of love. And I'm also going to link the playlist as well as the YouTube channel of Dear CJ. And it's time to move on to DIY number two. For this DIY, I'm going to use one of this home sign that I recently got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use the same gift wrap paper, and I'm just pressing that against the center of this home sign just like that, and I just cut it out. Now I'm using the same glue stick and I'm generously applying to the back of the home just like so, and I'm carefully sticking this gift wrap paper, and I'm just pressing it against to remove any air bubbles and to get like a nice clean look. And I'm taking this Merry Christmas wooden sign from Dollar Tree, and this is also from last year, and I'm using the same beautiful dark green paint, and I'm going to let it dry. While that is drying, I just got this window cling stickers from Dollar Tree, and I just took two of the Christmas trees and I stuck it on the surface of the gift wrap paper, and I'm actually taking a white piece of cardboard and I just stuck on back of those Merry Christmas letters, so those letters show bright and beautiful. And I'm taking a little bit of a hot glue and I'm just sticking on top of, actually closer to the roof, just like so. And I'm also going to give like nice greenery. I took like 2 pieces of greenery from one of those picks, and I'm also going to stick one of the pine cone which has got like beautiful golden shine on it. And I also got like nice red berries to complete the look, and I just stuck on either side of the pine cone just like that. And this completes the DIY, and this is such a beautiful addition to all of these DIYs today. And it's got like the same plaid with a red and green background, and I love how this Merry Christmas banner turned out on top of the house with those Christmas trees inside the house and those greenery on top. I'm just loving it. So you have to let me know your thoughts as well. And let's move on to DIY number 3. And this is one of the cute charger plate that I got from Michael's last year after Christmas sale again. And I think it came out for like $1.25 or $1.50 or so, and such a nice good quality. And I'm also going to take one of this merry and bright wooden letters from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint the bright with the green paint and bright red for the merry letters. And after it is dried, I also took like a nice beige color in the center for the end part. Now I'm taking this white marker pen and I'm just giving like nice stitch lines for the bright and merry, and this is such a relaxing thing to do and it's so de-stressing. So I just spent my good time on that, and I took like a generous amount of hot glue and I'm just sticking on top of the charger just like that. And this is so gorgeous already. Now I took some of this greenery and I'm taking like 2 greenery pieces on either side. I'm taking like generous amount of hot glue and I'm sticking them on either side just like that. And I also got this beautiful red ribbon and also one of this beige ribbon with a pine cone in the center. And this is another cute DIY, and I can't even tell you, this is one of my favorite today. This turned out so beautiful. So what do you think? I would like to know what your thoughts are. On to DIY number 4. And this is actually, I would say, in between DIY and a hack. And this is one of the cute sign that I got from Dollar Tree last year. And this is the bright green that I'm going with today. So it is part of the group. Now we are going to decorate this hope sign. So I just took a tiny piece of same gift wrap paper and I took like Mod Podge and I applied generous amount of Mod Podge on top of this hope letters, and I stuck this piece of gift wrap paper and I let it dry. While that is drying, I took some of this yellow and green beads and I'm taking this beautiful light yellow and also the beige color, and I'm going to use those colors to paint this yellow beads. So I'm just mixing these 2 colors. I actually took like 2 parts of this light color and tiny bit of this yellow color to get like nice beautiful beige that is actually part of the plaid color. So I just matched that, so and I got this nice color, and now I'm actually taking all this, I think 10 beads on a skewer, and I just painted it and I let it dry. While that is drying, I'm going to do this beautiful trick that everyone is doing. I'm going to show fire and burn the excess paper just like that, and it worked like a charm. I'm just loving this technique. Now I'm going to use this from now on. And this hope letters are also having like nice distress effect, so I just dusted everything and I'm going to stick this on top of those beautiful greenery that you see in the sign. Now I'm going to stick this hope letters on top of the sign just like that with a dab of a hot glue, everywhere, and this is stuck. Now I have to prepare this beautiful hanging. So I just took tiny bit of a hot glue on this red satin ribbon that we pulled from the first sign now, and I just pressed it so it gives like a nice edge to enter through the beads. So I'm alternating the green beads, which is already in the same color. I didn't care to paint it because it's actually matching the colors. So, and also I'm alternating the beige and green, and I'm inserting one corner onto the sign. I'm also inserting the other corner on the other side. Now I'm going to knot it in the back just like that. After I knot it, I'm also going to attach with little bit of a hot glue so the ribbon doesn't show ugly. So after all this is done, I think this call's done. This is already beautiful with those beads and the sign, and this is one of the cute sign I am also loving, and you have to let me know your thoughts as well. So let's move on to DIY number 5, the last DIY, and this is a quick hack like I always do. And this is one of the cute placemat that I got from Dollar Tree, I think last Christmas again. And I wanted to include this because this is also having this beautiful pattern that we are going with today, and this is one of the cute pillow from Dollar Tree as well. And I'm removing the tag. Now I'm actually measuring this, and it's actually fitting into the size of the mat. So I bended it in half and I inserted the pillow in the center, and I took like generous amount of hot glue on one side of the placemat, and I'm attaching the other side just like that. So I'm going to work all the 3 sides, and I'm going to show how this turned out after it is done. I can put some tassel on it, so I thought like I'll keep it just like that for now. But this turned out gorgeous and also a great addition to all the DIYs today. So yeah, this is also so beautiful. I'm loving it, and I hope you would love to. So yeah, please let me know your thoughts on this as well. And this is the final reveal of all my DIYs today, you guys. I enjoyed thoroughly each and every DIY today, and it's so festive, so beautiful with the bright green and red, and it's a traditional Christmas with a plaid background, and I try to keep everything the same color and same pattern today, and I'm so happy how all these turned out. I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me, and I'm open to hear any suggestions and ideas that you would like to give. Please leave it in the comment section. And if you want to see more of this and want to join the family, I would be more than happy if you hit on the subscribe button and join the family. And please don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get any updates when I upload the videos. And I'm thanking each and every one of you for the constant support that you've been giving towards my channel. Thank you, and thank you so much. I'm very grateful, you guys. If you want to see some more ideas, I'm going to link one of my video and a playlist on the right corner of the screen. And like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.